Hello, I'm Carl Bratch, I'm Shopper Motorsports, and today I want to introduce to you a brand new item to hit the market. This is the Ocelot AF-1 Fresh Air Helmet. Now, if you already have an existing pumper system in your car and you're looking for a new helmet for either you or a passenger, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, this helmet is a great value at just $129. This rivals the Bell helmet at $179 and the Climb helmet at $199. So $75 cheaper than those options. This gives you the same features and benefits at a much more value price point option. Now for that $129, you're gonna get a polycarbonate shell, you're gonna get a polycarbonate lens. This is gonna be an anti-fog lens. You're gonna get the neck skirt down here, which is very lightweight and does block the dust from coming up into the helmet. This helmet itself features a durable and lightweight polymer shell construction. It features dual density EPS, or expanded polystyrene liner. It has a custom molded trim with integrated nose guard. It has removable and washable comfort liner and cheek pads, which absorb sweat while providing ventilation. Now for that $129 price point, you get the helmet, you get the neck shield, and you get this spout right here that you could then plug into any existing hardwired unit that's already installed into your car. There's lots of different units out there that plug in and give you fresh air with a pump and a hose. That hose would connect to this helmet and you would be dialed. So this little filter right here has a built-in fan that has a wired source. So you could literally plug this into a 9-volt battery, which is how I tested it. I plugged a 9-volt battery into this guy and rode this on my motorcycle and it worked flawlessly. Again, how do you use this? Well, basically you have a pigtail on the end of this that would go directly to either a fuse block, positive and negative, directly to your battery, positive and negative. This will go to any 12-volt source and provide power that comes right up into the unit here. As you can see, underneath the neck skirt is where that cord comes out. It has a coax type connector that's a quick release. So if you do hardwire this into your vehicle, you've got that cord that comes up, you'd plug in, this fan's gonna run. As soon as you unplug it, the fan's gonna stop running. There's no switches, no on, no off. If you're plugged in, you're rolling, and if you're unplugged, you're not. In general, this is a very good, price-conscious helmet that's gonna allow you to get a clean air feeling inside either your ATV, UTV, motorcycle, or even for the pit crew guys. And there you have it, the Ocelot AF-1. If you're looking to get a clean air system that doesn't break the bank, this Ocelot unit is a great one for you to take a look at. If you liked what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, as always, take care and ride safe out there.